Right, hello there YouTube, George here, and hope you're all well and happy. And we're going to do something a little slightly different than the last few videos. So have this here, President McKinley, and you know, quite rough, cosmetically, works perfect. So what we're gonna do is we are going to strip it down, clean what needs to be cleaned. We'll refinish the bezel with some spray paint, and I have a decal there to go onto it. So we'll get that done, and we'll come back to you then. Well, we'll get it stripped down first, obviously, and we'll kind of come back to you at stages along the way to show you what the story is. Okay, that's it then. We'll crack on. Right, so it's all stripped, and we've serviced all the controls and stuff. All the knobs and whatnot are in the ultrasonic cleaner. I picked out a better channel knob for it because the one that was on it, there's a lot of chrome gone off it, so we had another one there. It's not mighty, but it's better than what was on it. It should clean up okay. So they're all in the ultrasonic bath now, the channel knob, all these knobs, the push button covers. So I have the face. It's ready for me to paint it now. So I'm just going to mask the front of it because I don't actually need that much paint on the front of it. It's more just the edges of it really, and we can let that dry then and get the decal on it. So we'll move along and see where we go from there. That's the primer done. Alright, so have me decal done. Fresh coat of paint on the edges. Have all the knobs cleaned. So I have all my parts and pieces. Cases are just down there on the chair. So we are going to set to now and put this thing together. Get our speaker in first, I suppose. Right, so there is the finished article. Not much happening now at the moment, but it just is the way it is. But considerable improvement on what it was before we started. We left a stock meter insert in it just for the crack this time. A lot of people get upset with the white meter inserts. Most people look for them, but I just decided with this one I'd leave it as it was, and we just put an LED in there. And where are we? So it came out quite well. It's a good 7 out of 10 now. All new screws, secret sauce, resprayed the bezel, decal on there, cleaned all the knobs, changed the channel knob, used a different one, and all stainless screws and all that carry on. So that's pretty much it, and it came out pretty well. We're quite pleased with that. So we'll leave it there for this video, and we'll catch you again in the next one.